Well, hello, Amy.
Hi, Mike. How are
Thank
you?
you. Thank you for coming on for a little chat today. I'm really excited about this new thing we're about to talk about.
My pleasure. Thanks for having me.
Absolutely. So, I don't want to step on any toes, but we got some stuff going on between my company, Red Button Media, and Doma Title. Do you want to clue some people in on what we've had in the works?
Yes, we are very excited to announce that Doma Title Insurance Inc. has added Red Button Media, your new video production venture, to our agent marketplace, which is a collection of industry vendors and service providers who help title agents and settlement attorneys nationwide market their business more effectively, comply with best practices, remain compliant with laws and regulations. So we're really excited to be able to offer Red Button Media services to our title agent customers and our settlement attorney customers.
I'm excited as well. This is a new venture to me. Content creation and video production is not a new thing. I've been doing
Absolutely
it for years.
not. No,
I've
I've
been doing
known
it
you
for
for
years and years
yeah.
for mortgage and real estate customers mainly. So the Doma Title relationship seems to be like a natural fit when it comes to stuff like that.
It absolutely is. I've known you for a few years now, and you produce such stellar content that provides wonderful education on real estate and mortgage industry related topics, not just for consumers, but for professionals in the industry as well. So
Absolutely.
We have a very heavy educational focus here at Doma Title. We consider ourselves to have this reputation as the education underwriter. It's something that's very important to us. And we are excited to partner with you because not only do you have wonderful video production expertise, but it's also married with your industry expertise, which is a huge asset.
The one thing that I've been doing longer than content creation through photo and video is working in the mortgage and real estate industries. So I've been in mortgage and real estate for almost 20 years now. I've been doing content creation for about a decade. That dates back maybe 10 to 12 years. And it wasn't very long until I figured out that there was a much needed synergy between those two. And there was a real void that needed to be filled because, especially for industry professionals, there's so little information out there and education specifically for industry professionals to try to kind of help them along their path. And then, of course, just when it comes to the home purchase transaction in general, everything related to the home purchase transaction, as much as big companies try to do their best and publish their blogs and publish to their YouTube channels and get the word out as much as they can, the misinformation that's out there about our industry is still astounding.
It's
and
something
not a week goes by.
Yes.
Not a week goes by where I don't see some sort of a survey that knocks me back in my chair. Like, how can 50% of everyone in America still think you need 20% down to buy a home? Like, it's that.
I just saw the other day somebody speaking on the claims ratios in title insurance. Why are they so low? That's sketchy. Well, the whole point of title insurance is to have low claims. So
exactly,
so we're still combating a lot of misinformation out there and lack of understanding for sure.
Absolutely. But I'm really excited for this partnership, for this relationship, to try to hopefully get out there and help your title agents and settlement attorneys who really want to get the word out about what they do. Maybe they want to educate their target customer. Maybe they just want to alert people that they exist, and they know that video is the way to do that right now in 2023.
Here's the issue. We're in a challenging market, and title agents are just busy trying to maintain their business, keep the lights on, keep going. So marketing might not be their top priority, but it's still extremely important for them to be able to develop their brand, get some awareness out there about their company. And for a lot of title agents, they don't know where to start.
And brand building really is the key when it comes to stuff like that. I talk to a lot of people who think that video is kind of this magic wand that they can post a couple of things, wave it, and all the leads will start flooding in. But it's really about being consistent, getting the word out there, and building your brand as someone who's trustworthy and respected in what you do. And that way, when it comes transaction time, when that realtor does need to pick a title agent to use for a specific transaction, they've been following your content, they've been learning things from your brand, they're not even looking anywhere else. So
Right. And I love that
you don't have to
speaking
sell
their
yourself
language.
anymore. You get the transaction, but the sale isn't necessary, and you can just focus on
Right.
serving those customers the way that you really want to.
I love that you're speaking their language as well, Mike, because we hear from title agents all the time who are interested in doing something like brand advocacy and building awareness with tools like video, but they just don't know where to start. And so, they might find a video production service provider, but then there's a learning curve where they have to kind of bring that company along on their journey, explain who their customers are. I think that the natural inclination of a lot of service providers is to assume that it's home buyers and sellers, it's consumers.
Yeah.
And that's not necessarily the case for title agents. Their customers are real estate agents, mortgage brokers, lenders. So you understand very well their customer base and who they're trying to reach. And you're able to
you
help
need
them.
to understand, if you're going to effectively help someone in any industry, you need to understand who their customer is. And their customer might not be the end user.
Right.
Their customer, the person that they have direct contact with, might be somebody totally different. Like a title agent, their customer is most likely going to be a realtor, not a home buyer.
Exactly.
And that type of distinction is really important to make. I saw a great post on LinkedIn by an actual person who runs a marketing agency saying that a lot of marketers fight an uphill battle because most of the content that they're producing, whether it's written, photo, video, whatever it is, they're producing it as a pretender.
Yeah.
And they're pretending to know the industry that they're producing this for, but in actuality, their expertise is in marketing.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Not necessarily the title industry or the tech industry or whatever they're doing for their client. And there's always going to be a little disconnect there when you deal with companies like that, because they don't know the lingo. They don't really know who you're talking
Right,
to.
exactly.
You don't have a clear vision of who the target audience for the piece is and things like that. And that's stuff that I really feel like I can fill the gap with when it comes to mortgage, real estate, title. I've been talking to home warranty companies, any type of tangential industries around the home purchase transaction. We understand. And I feel like that's a real strength of ours. And in addition to that, when you talk to all these media companies, holy moly, how many people are they pricing out when it comes to video content?
Oh, I know. It seems daunting. It seems
It's unbelievable.
out of reach, inaccessible. So we're very happy to partner with Red Button Media because they are going to be offering some custom pricing packages for our title agents that puts these tools within your reach.
And these packages are specific to the Doma Title Agent Marketplace. Nobody else has access to these. And that's making you the voice, you the brand, you the star of your own content, and getting you on a more consistent posting schedule so you can show up on these platforms with more regularity and start building your brand, building trust with your clients and things like that. And of course, if anybody has different goals, or they're looking for, maybe they're allergic to cameras and they hate getting in front of them and they just want to hire somebody to be a brand advocate for them.
Yeah.
We offer those services also. Or if you're just looking for a little bit of hands-off content coaching and some guidance and direction in the right way, kind of point you down the right path, we can do that too. But those are all conversations that we love to have, because while we do have custom packages specifically for you in the Doma Agent Marketplace, we do realize that there's no one-size-fits-all option. So I love having conversations with my fellow industry professionals and just figuring out how we can make something work.
Right, exactly. So we're so excited about the partnership. So, looking forward to getting you in front of our agents and seeing what you can do to help them grow their business in this challenging market.
Awesome. Thank you, Amy, so much. If anybody's interested, head over to the Agent Marketplace, take a look at what we have to offer, or just go straight to hittheredbutton.com. That's our website with all the contact info. There's a little intro video up there for you, along with a small sampling of what we offer. But Amy, we appreciate it. This partnership is not something that we take lightly. Our tagline is professional grade video content for budgets of all sizes. And we really do mean it. In all the research that I've done, there's a lot of media agencies who require 5-figure per month marketing budgets for a phone call just to even talk to them. And I feel like that's leaving a lot of the smaller businesses, mom and pop shops, people that are intentionally staying small so they can be agile and effective with their revenue flows. They're just kind of getting left out in the cold, and we want to try to fix that. So we're looking forward to some opportunities and to getting some people to hit that red button and make more great video content to spread the good word.
Great. We're so happy to partner with you again. Thank you so much. And for, all of our Doma agent, title agent customers and settlement agent attorneys nationwide, get in touch with us, and we will, provide you with access to these great tools that will help you grow and succeed in this challenging market. And we're just excited to be true partners with you.
Absolutely. The excitement is mutual. Thank you so much. And we'll talk to you soon.
Thank you.